Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So what's your name and what's in here? Oh, AC for a minute. Go ahead.
Name's Argy Johnson. We got 2 SDDN 15s in the 6 on 2 base 8Ks wired at 0.5 each.
That's a special design 6th order. Well, you did that. I like that.
But my team captain did it.
Wow, y'all built in this vehicle.
Oh yeah, oh
yeah. Man. Electrical, alternator battery power?
Alternators are 320 brand X. Batteries is 296 amp hour spins.
Okay. What's the bandwidth like? Any SPL tests?
Roughly 154.5, around 26 is what we were doing.
Okay. So you happy with it?
Oh yeah, man. Love it.
Awesome. Everything's right here, nothing in the back?
The high amps are in the back and the DSP's in the back.
Okay. Alright, nice. That looks like it's tuned pretty low.
It is.
Alright. The doors look good too. Key RVs. And you got LEDs in there. It looks, I bet you at nighttime when you're driving you can see it real close. I'm gonna look under your hood and all the amplifiers. Is that alright if I pull this up? Nice. See the perspective to build all the way back. It didn't look like it was that deep until you look back here. How much?
It was a challenge, for sure.
You know the where's the back of the, like, is the back of the box start for the back chamber?
So basically right in here.
Okay. So you're working with like a 1-to-1 ratio roughly or so?
Roughly, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
It's all good, man. There's a lot of different things about builds that are hard to learn about, yeah. Nice. And are these amplifiers, are these that 1 ohm? Are your amplifiers at 1 ohm?
Half ohm.
Half ohm, okay.
Half ohm each.
Okay. Sorry for all the questions, I just like to see everything. This is an awesome lithium bank here.
Yeah, both of them. I got 2. You got one right here and one right there.
Got it. Okay. All right, yeah, I'm ready when you are. Sorry, keep it sharp.
And then I hear my baby boy, in my ear, screaming out.
Yes, sir.
Good cone control too.
Yes, sir.
That's what you like, the lows more.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And you got LEDs in there. It looks, I bet you at nighttime when you're driving, you can see it real close. I appreciate the demo, man. Your name?
RG.
RG again. Thank you, man.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Yep, thank you, RG.